Dear investors and viewers, Latent View Analytics IPO subscription prediction given by Vridivej Finance is 85% to 125%, and trust us, it has gone above 125% even itself. So you can watch it for further. Latent View Analytics IPO detail. IPO opening date will be 10th November 2021. IPO closing date will be 12th November 2021. Issue type is purple issue IPO. Face value 1 rupees equity share. IPO price band between 190 to 197 per equity share. Market lot size will be 76 shares per minimum lot. Will be 76 share, and listing at Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange, that is BSE and NSE. Basis of allotment date will be 16th November 2021. Initiation of refund happen on 17th November 2021. Credit of shares to your demat account 18th November 2021. And IPO listing date will be 22nd November 2021. Minimum you can apply for one lot, that is 76 shares. Amount will be 14,972, where maximum lot you can apply 13, and it will be the share number of share will be 988, which will cost you 1,94,636 rupees only. Dear investors and viewers, Latent View Analytics Limited IPO subscription prediction given by Vridivej Finance. We are expecting this subscription happen between minimum 85% to maximum 125%, or it can goes up to 150%, but depends on their strategy. Please keep watching gray market strategy. Yes, absolutely, their strategy is quite strong, but people sometimes don't bother about it. So anyways, choice by the management. We are not going to push towards the market, but yes, Latent View Analytics can do much better business in the nearest future because they are having latest technologies, as Vridivej Finance says. If you see, Latent View has received the bid details number of times. Total mint for the category for qualified institutional buyers QIB is 59.02, whether including foreign institutional buyer, domestic financial institution, banks, financial institute and insurance company, mutual fund and others. If you see, non-institutional buyers investors has shown large amount of interest into this company. The number of total mint for the category is 421.08. This is one of the biggest one till, believe us. So in that case, including corporate, individual and others. If you see, the retail individual investors are also shown their large amount of interest. It's a 64.34% comparing to the all other IPOs. And if you see, their employees also booked this 0.87. The total has booked a number for the total mint for category is 155.57 only. So you can see our predictions comes true even. Dear investors, viewers, we have given GMP prediction for Latent View Analytics, that is Latent View. Minimum price target we are expecting for this IPO is 250. Maximum it can go about 300 to 600 even. Yeah, it can be stabilized at 550 hopefully, but we are expecting at least it will hit the market hopefully. So we will watch it for further, and we will come back with the positive feedback also. Thank you by Vridivej Finance. We will come back to you with the other things. Yes, there are pile-ups of the projects with us, but we are not working because we comes on the weekends for this special kind of IPOs. Yes, last week we have uploaded 8 to 10 videos in a single day, and in that case you can watch our other videos which where predictions has comes true, and we achieved the GMP for Nika and Fino payment app.